Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook an egg step by step. Let's start with poaching, a fantastic way to enjoy a delicate egg. You'll need a shallow pan with about 2 to 3 inches of simmering water. A splash of white vinegar, about 1 teaspoon, helps the egg whites set beautifully. Gently crack a fresh egg into the water and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are firm and the yolk is still runny. Next up, let's master scrambled eggs, a breakfast classic. For truly fluffy results, whisk 2 or 3 eggs with about 1 tablespoon of milk or cream. Cook them over medium-low heat in a non-stick pan, stirring gently and frequently. The key is to remove them from the heat just before they are completely set, allowing residual heat to finish the cooking for a creamy texture. Now, let's fry an egg, perfect for a quick meal. Heat about 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Crack an egg directly into the pan. For sunny side up, cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the whites are set but the yolk is still liquid. If you prefer over easy, gently flip it and cook for an additional 30 seconds. Finally, let's tackle boiled eggs, versatile for many dishes. Place your eggs in a pot and cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately remove the pot from the heat and cover it. For a soft-boiled egg, let them sit for 6 minutes. For a perfectly hard-boiled egg, allow 10 minutes before cooling them in an ice bath.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.